Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a confusing but very important concept in JavaScript, which is called hoisting. Okay, we will also look at a tricky question, you can see there, that tests your understanding of var, let, and const. As you know, in JavaScript we have three ways to declare variables. Okay, var, let, and const. In modern JavaScript, we rarely use var, because it can cause unexpected issues. One of them is called hoisting. So here the question, I would recommend, try to pause the video and think about the output first. Okay, so then look at my explanations. So the correct answer here is D, so I'm going to clear this part, D, undefined and reference error. To see that exactly, I'm going to open up the inspect and enter console log. As you see, undefined and reference error cannot access age before initializations. Okay, so why? The question is why? Why this happens? Variable names is declared with, you can see the console log name. So this variable name is declared with var. In JavaScript, var declarations are hoisted. That means the declaration is moved to the top of the function. So code is interpreted like this. Var name, as you can see, there's a declaration, and let also. Let age this. So you may ask, there's a two undefined. First is undefined, second is also undefined. If you write const, it's also undefined. So where is the reference error? Yes. Okay, there's an issue. Var hoisting means that this declarations variables comes at the beginning of the function, at the top of the function. And our variables exist, but it hasn't been assigned any kind of value yet. And the output is undefined. It works fine with var, there's no problem with var here. But when it comes to let, although let is also hoisted, it's also at the beginning of the function, it lives in a special place called Temporal Dead Zone. What does that mean? It means that you cannot access it before the actual declarations. So JavaScript throws a reference error, age is not defined. That means that your code, JavaScript, won't be able to see that because it's in the temporal dead zone. It's either like this, or you can consider it like this. Again, still reference error. Declared. Okay. We should make it, sorry, not let. We should make it, okay, age. So undefined, reference cannot access age before initializations. Okay, probably I mispronounced this word, but it doesn't matter, don't worry. Initializations is like starting point. Okay, to summarize all the information that I gave you, var and let and const, all of them are hoisted. Hoisting means that you put it at the beginning of the function. And they are initialized with undefined. Var is initialized with undefined. But since let and const are temporal dead zone, JavaScript cannot read. Therefore, it returns reference error. They are hoisted, but they are not initialized. I hope this helps you to understand hoisting better. If you like the breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more JavaScript tips and interview questions. That's all for today. See you next time.